The Open University is established under the Universities Act, and it is one of those universities that are going to assist us ensure that students who are not able because of such things as costs to join the main universities get the education they require from the Open University of Kenya. That we have a target of reaching 50,000, over 50,000 students by 2026, end of 2026. And that will actually assist in the university becoming self-sustaining. As you are aware, we have challenges in the funding of universities, and the more students we have, the more programs we have in the Open University would assist it easily be weaned off the exchequer once we have that number, that optimal number. So that education in the Open University is lower because of the mode of instruction to the students and the flexibility of the programs that they have. And we are working towards even micro credentials, in fact modularization that we call it, so that people are able to get certified as they continue finishing their programs. The TVET sector, we've agreed that we will raise the number to 2 million by the end of this year. By the end of December 2024, the enrollment in the TVET sector was 375,000. By the end of May 2025, we had an enrollment of 700,000, and our target is to reach 2 million by the end of this year. We are working with the national government officer Ngao to ensure that we market our programs in the various barazas and the various homes so that people can come and join the TVET institutions to learn the hands-on skills that are required in the market. And so we are raising that number to 2 million by the end of this year.